So I woke up this morning and I saw a lot of messages in my inbox, and there were a lot of people saying that Solomon, please can you teach me how to make money online? How can I make money online? Then I realized that there are still some people that have never earned up to 100,000 naira online before. And the thing is that Christmas is actually coming. So many people will like to go to the village to celebrate their Christmas. Some people will still not be able to go to the village. Why? Because they don't have the money. Do you know that they can actually achieve something from now to Christmas? I'm not saying you're going to accomplish your goal for the year. I mean, from January to November, you've not been able to accomplish it, but I'm actually telling you that you can actually accomplish something from now to December. So today in this particular video, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to share some methods that you can actually use, or I'm going to share some side hustles that they can start now to earn extra cash for yourself just with your smartphone. And the thing is that there's one particular side hustle right here that I personally have been using, and this has actually worked out for me fantastic so far. And I'm not going to be calling figures, but I'm going to be showing you some of my payouts and the rest in this particular video. See me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Right here I talk about different side hustle ideas. I share different side hustle to my community. So if you want to get more content from me, do to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel because I drop content here every single week. By the way, I dropped a video yesterday on how you can create AI images just like this and actually monetize this on Facebook. Somebody posted a testimonial yesterday. The person was like, I'm happy that I tried this workout. You can see it on the screen right now. So I believe this is something you can still try it out. So do to check out that video I made yesterday. Just go check it out, or I'm going to drop it down below in the comment section. And please don't forget to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section below. I mean, you might see your neighbor in the comment section. And also, if you have not joined my community, what are you waiting for? Joining my community, supporting my effort, is appreciating my effort. Click on that join button you're seeing right there and just join my community. Thank you very much. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just side hustle ideas, and this is just my own personal opinion. I'm not saying after watching this video that you're going to be making over 100,000 naira. That's not what I'm saying, but all I'm saying is that, or I can actually tell you that if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, I believe you're going to learn something. If you don't learn something, just give me a knock in the head. That's actually funny, but I'm serious because I'm actually sure that you're going to learn something from this particular video that you can apply in your daily life, and if you take it serious, it might actually work out for you. So let's get started. All right, so the image you saw right here, this is actually not clickbait because this is actually true. So most of these side hustles just require your smartphone, and you can actually do it from home. You have to choose the side hustle you're going to do because, like I said, I'm going to list a few of them. So you are the one, you have the choice to choose. You can choose the one that you think is going to be much more favorable. I know that most of you like comfort, so you can choose the one that you think is going to be much more comfortable for you. You can choose the one that you think that you can start with your smartphone, and you can also choose the one that you think you can start with zero capital. So if there have ever been a better time for you to start affiliate marketing, I think this is the best time for you to start affiliate marketing, not because it is 2025, but because it's almost December. And the thing is that with December coming, this is actually a festive period. Most companies and most brands are offering a lot of discounts on their services, on their products. So I believe this is actually a perfect opportunity for you to start affiliate marketing because people want to buy cheap things, and Konga is actually offering a lot of discount this particular festive period. I think you should check this out. Go on ChatGPT and search for the best affiliate programs this December. ChatGPT is going to list out different available affiliate programs that you can go into that are locally for Nigerians this particular December, and from there you register, sign up. I hope one of you actually buy me gift this December. I hope so. So this is actually a method you can use to make some money for yourself this December. Just comment affiliate in the comment section if you want a step-by-step video on how you can register on different affiliate programs, on how you can search for different affiliate programs, and how you can get started this December. If I get like 20 comments, I can do another video, step-by-step video tutorial on how we can actually go into this together and make some money for ourselves. All right, so last 2 months I went to somebody's shop to buy this particular light I'm actually using right now. And the thing is that the shop was so busy that the guy don't even have time for himself. Imagine that same shop this December. You notice that the shop will be even much more busier this December. Offer your services as a part-time freelancer, a holiday virtual assistant. You can actually respond to customers and do small tasks for different sellers this holiday, and you can get paid for that. How can you get jobs like this? Just create a little paper ad. Mind you, I'm not saying this is going to be as easy as this. No, that's not what I'm saying. But the thing is that if you're only calm and calculated enough to run targeted ads, whether you like it or not, there are a lot of business owners and sellers that are looking for virtual assistant this particular holiday or this festive period. So I think this is another side hustle that is open for this December season. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think you're going to try this out?
$3 million a month.
What do y'all do for a living?
TikTok.
Our agency generates over $30 million a month in e-commerce sales if you aggregate the total sales of every single business that we manage.
I know most of you will be thinking that this is magic, but it's actually not magic. There is something they call live selling. So what do? You actually partner with local stores, local companies, local brands, or it can also be international. I know some of you will say, and Solomon, where will I see people to partner with? Anybody that owns a business wants to make sales. So I don't think that should be any problem. So you look for local companies, you partner with them, you get sample products from them, you go live on TikTok. As you go live on TikTok, these people must trust you. So the store address must actually be there. WhatsApp number for them to place their orders must be there. As they place their order, either you or the store owner is the one that is going to do the delivery based on your agreement. You guys share the profit based on how you actually agree. And I think this is another method you can use to make a whole lot of money. Tell me what you think in the comment section, because there's a lot of potential in this particular market. People are doing it, but not a lot of people know that you can actually sell live on TikTok. So I created an ad video yesterday, and after creating that ad video, I needed a call to action at the end of the video. So I used AI to create this. So I created this particular video you're seeing on my screen now with AI. So this is just an outro of an app that I talked about. You can actually use AI to start creating advert videos. There are a lot of brands that are going to need a lot of ads. Most of them don't know how to run ads. This is actually an opportunity. So you can actually use AI to create different advert videos. You can use Pixverse, you can use VO3, you can use Nano Banana, and you can use different AI tools. You can even use Filmora. There's a new one here called Filmora. Use it for the product and you actually get paid. It's simple. It's not easy, but it's very, very simple if you only calm down and follow the steps. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this. Now, another thing right here that I want to share, it's called online survey. From January to December, they want to see the product market. So they're going to be running surveys. So there are a lot of survey platforms that are going to be active this Christmas. For example, I'm currently using YouGov survey, and there are a lot of other survey platforms that you can use that are active that will pay you well. You can go into online survey this Christmas or this December and you can use it to make more money for yourself. So online survey, tell me what you think in the comment section. Remember, I told you that I'm going to be sharing a side also that has actually worked out for me personally that I've been using. Yes, that time is now. But before I continue, do want to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to join my community and appreciate the effort. Thank you very much. This is where you complete different online tasks like PTC and GPT tasks and you actually get rewarded for your effort. Personally, there's actually an app that I want to talk about today. I'm not going to go much into the detail because I've already created a step-by-step tutorial, or I've already created a lot of videos. This particular platform right here is called Walktask. This is a walking step counter that offers to reward you just for walking, and they have a lot of other tasks on their platform. Solomon, how will this make me up to 100k? I've been able to withdraw over $200 from this particular platform, and did I mention it was free? The platform is a PTC platform and a GPT platform. They're not going to pay you much from the step part, and also they have an affiliate program that you can also join and still earn some commissions for yourself. Mind you, here they reward you in points or in coin. 3,000 coin or 3,000 points is around $5. The funny thing is that I have over $140 in my wallet balance. This particular platform has its pros and its cons, but I think this is something you can actually try and earn extra cash for yourself if you're only passionate. So check this out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to use my invite code to support the channel. So you're going to see the invite code on the screen. You can actually get the app from Google Play Store or from the App Store. If this is not available in your country, sorry, it's actually available for me in Nigeria. I am in Nigeria. I'm using it in Nigeria. It's working out for me, but I don't know about your location. And based on when you're watching this video, I don't know if this app might still be active or not. So just try and do a little more research before you actually go into this. You understand? It might work out for you. There is absolutely no guarantee from my end that this is actually going to work out for you. So it worked out for me based on my effort and based on how many hours I was able to spend on the platform to perform the attacks.